Monday, and on Mondays, my house is a disaster. Typically, I try to rest on Sundays, so if you miss a day's work in the house, it's a disaster. Like, I am embarrassed to show it, but I'm like, you know what? I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. This is real life. So today, it is a day to get things done. My mother-in-law is gonna be coming by today, so which will help me a lot, so I can do grocery shopping and hopefully clean without the kids in my way. So yeah. Hey boys. This is what happens when you don't do dishes for a whole day. Like, ugh, so gross. So I might have to record with my GoPro later, but it is like way past lunchtime, so I gotta make something for my kids because they're probably hungry. I think I'm just gonna do cheese pizza from Costco for my kids, something simple with vegetables. They're with their grandma right now playing outside. It's actually turned out to be a sunny, beautiful day, so that's good. Talk to everybody.
I'm eating carrots.
Delicious lunch? Time for a nap? Time for a nap? Yeah. James is taking a nap and I am driving to the grocery store quickly. We have no milk and no eggs. I was not sure what to make for breakfast because there's no eggs. And I want to make a smoothie, so we need some kind of milk. Fold laundry right now. I'm trying to be quiet because James is sleeping right beside me. I just wanted to say that I received these smoothies called Revive Superfood. This one's called Morning Mocha. It's really delicious. And I'm loving these smoothies. I've been eating them for a couple of days. Here's just a little clip of when I received them. They come in a box and there's actually dry ice, so it keeps it cool for 24 hours. So you just have to put everything in the freezer, and in the box there is 9 smoothies, and then you also receive a metal straw, which is awesome. And so when you order from them, you can choose whatever flavors you want. Each one has like a vegetable. Like today's one, it has cauliflower, which is amazing. Like you would never think to put cauliflower in your smoothie. The other ones that I've tried, there's been like beets in it. And my favorite thing about these smoothies is that it's easy. I just have to put some milk, put it in a mixer, and I've got my fruit and vegetables. And right now, especially in winter, I've noticed I hardly eat fruits. And so I'm not really getting them any good vitamins and fruits. And then it's just an easy breakfast. Or like today, I'm eating this for lunch. And I really, really recommend them. They actually also have overnight oats that you can buy from them too, that I'm like, I want to try that. You guys should check it out, Revive Superfoods. They actually gave me a coupon code as well, which you get 60% off, which is amazing deal. If you want to get 9 smoothies, 60% off is a really good deal for those 9 smoothies. And the coupon code is right here. I'm pretty sure it's Vera60. But yeah, I'm going to put it right here. That use that coupon code and go check them out, guys.
Thank you, cutting.
I'm peeling the skin off. I'm just making dinner, and yeah, it's been an all day cleaning, cooking, kind of doing all the home stuff, mom life, stay-at-home mom stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love it if you subscribed and join my motherhood journey, and hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.